Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. So this is about 1 square, and we know that a square minus b square, we need to transform this one into this one. Now we have the second formula in here. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here. So 1 minus 1 we cancel. Negative, negative, we have positive. 1 minus 1 we cancel. And now number 2 and number 2 we have number 4. And this one we can put into number 2 sin s, cosine s, everything to the power of 2. So we have the next one. And this one equals to the absolute value of 8. So we need to transform this one into this one. So from 0 to b over 4, this is still about the positive for number 2 sin s, cosine s. So we cancel the absolute value and we just have like this. So number 2 I will put outside sin s, we have sin s square. Next we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sin s. Later that we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have cosine s ds. Next we need to change the bounds. When s equals to number 0, so I will put number 0 gone here because we have the bounds in here gone here, and we have u equals to number 0 when s equals to b over 4. So I will put b over 4 gone here, and now we can find the value of u equals to the square root of number 2 over number 2. Now we go back in here. Number 0 we keep the same. B over 4, that is about this one. This one we change for u. Cosine s ds we change for du. So the integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put the bounds from 0 to this one. And now we put this one gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have the square root of number 2 over 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.